Okay, so this section is about the students terminal, how the students log into the platform and interact with the questions. Okay, now for the student to access the platform, they come to this landing page and then they click on the students portal. Okay, log in with their registration details and maybe and the pin, and this can actually be customized depending on the organization. Okay, now once you have that details, you log in as a student.
Login successful.
Okay, and then it takes you to the interface where you will see the examination that you're trying to write. If there is no existing examination, it will tell you that there is no examination currently. So once there's an examination or an assessment that you want to, that the student should be writing at that particular point in time they logged in, the details will be displayed here. You can see the details of the student will be here. Okay, the students details of the picture of the student, their details, and the organization. Okay, this is just the organization details, logo and details will be here, so this can be customized. And then this is from this check results section, the students can see the results of their past, the past assessments that they've had. Okay, so that is it for that. So for the student to respond to this current question, rather to write this examination, this assessment, all they need to do is to click on the start examination, and then this dialog box is just a confirmation dialog box to confirm that the details of the student is correct, and they actually logged in using the right registration number and all that. So once they confirm, they can click on start test and then start writing the test. Now you can see how friendly this interface is. It is both friendly on the mobile device and well rendered on the mobile device, and also on desktop, as you can see. Okay, so I think this is about that. This is actually a navigation bar button that can help you to navigate across the questions. Okay, and then you can select the use your mouse button to select the right answers to the question. You can also ask the system to read out the question for you.
Question:
okay,
who led the Israelites out of Egypt?
Okay, so
Option A, Joshua.
you can decide to pause it or stop it. Okay, so then you can also use your keyboard buttons to select the right answers. Okay, you can just press the right, if the answer is B, you can press B on your keyboard and it selects it and all that. So I think that is it for that. You can use N to move forward, just as we have here. You can use N to move forward to the next question, or you can use P to move to the previous question. Okay, and I think that is it. And you can also use these buttons here, and then once you are done, you click on the submit button, and once you click on the submit button, you have a dialog box that will be telling you to review your answers. So from here you can see that you've answered. Green means questions that are highlighted in green means that they've been answered, while those in orange are unanswered. So if you want to so by me looking at this dialog box, you can tell that you've not answered up to 8 questions. Okay, you've answered just one. So if you want to answer one of them, let's say number 2, you can just click on this and go back to the second question. Okay, so let's go back to submit. Now if you want to submit, you also be prompted that you have 8 unanswered questions and you need to confirm that you want to actually continue. Now once you click on yes, submit, the questions will be submitted, appear immediately. Okay, so this is basically what we have. This is the I think what we have about that, the student section. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.